Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So nothing really transpired yesterday. Pretty much complete chaos across the whole market. I think on the 8-hour trend is down. Does look like there's a flag forming here, over here. So it does look like there's a bit of a flag forming at a level, and your level is 115.635. If we get down to the hour, and that's the levels we want to be trading. You can see yesterday was big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion. All below the moving averages. Oscillators don't really fill me with much hope at the moment. So I think the area to watch is going to be around 115.635. But if you look to the left, I'm going to want a clear break and a retest in order to get short again. And not really looking at longs until we start breaking structure. And the structure that I'd be looking to break would be these highs of Friday and Monday at 115.864. Too much noise happening in the markets right now for me to actually look at the dollar to buy or sell, to put it bluntly. US dollar Japanese yen measured move was fairly close, and remember the measured move was this move here. So that was a move up, and then there was your swing high. And I think if we just look to the left, okay, you can see, as I said yesterday, a lot of structure here. The green line is where price is. You can see there's a lot of structure here. So you would have expected that to be a profit-taking area, and that's exactly what is transpiring right now. So what do we want to do? We want to be trading with the trend. Definitely don't want to be short up here. So we're looking for structure further down. And unfortunately, there is no real structure. So there's a bit here. I would argue that that is a potential double top, which takes us down to there. And that's the closest bit of structure that we do have. So I think for me anyway, it's a case of 15-minute charts. Pay very close attention to what's transpiring. Look for structure on the 50-minute. You can see how that structure there lines up. Okay, and you've got a little bit of structure here, but I think that's a little bit of a better bet down here at 112.973. So if we can get down here, probably well worth waiting for this kind of price action here, and then take the break of it with a stop below. So that's kind of the view that I've got on US dollar Japanese yen. But as I said, with Euro USD, I think probably safer just to sit on the sides. Although the yen is under pressure right now, and you'll see that on the pound as well. So it might actually be an opportunity. Just pay attention to what's going on. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen, you'll see pretty similar picture. Solid move up, breaking through all the structure to the left, and that is a proper break. So you can see the decent break. So that's an 8-hour close plus follow through through these levels. I'd love to see a pullback onto the structure, and that is 153.492. So that's kind of the view that I've got on this. I'd love to see pullback on structure. If you look at the hour, you can see there is no structure anywhere where we are at the moment. It does look like a head and shoulders forming, which would more than likely bring us back to this area, and possibly even a little bit lower down into this area at 152.895. But look at the oscillators. Oscillators are tending to disagree with that. So what you may actually find is an opportunity right here. Not there. Right there. So the current high of the day. So London breakout strategy. So if we'll go sideways for the first 7 bars, that's typically what happens during the Asian session. And then if we see the buyers come in again and start breaking this 154.219, and that would be on the 5 to 15-minute charts. Get a close above that. Great opportunity to be long with a stop below the low of the day, and for a continuation to the upside. But it's just that we've broken some trend lines here, so I would prefer a deeper pullback. So even if it does break to the downside, not going to be looking for the short, rather look to see what happens here, because this is massive weekly support. If you look at what I'm talking about here, and you can see there. Okay, so that's that, and then moving on to Euro British Pound. Nothing really happening. Could be a double bottom forming, and this has been trending down for so long. If you go back in time, you can see how long it's been trending down, and then it's just been going sideways and complete chaos. So if we look at the hour, you'll see what I mean. So that's the range or potential double bottom. So the logical choice is I'm looking for a clear break of 085014, and that clear break does not mean I'm long. I want to see it move up. I want to see it come back and test and hold this level. That would give me the confidence to be long, and I'd be long looking for 085185. It's the only trade I can see at the moment, but at the moment it is sideways, so not really keen on it until the break and retest happens. Anyway, that's Forex for me this morning. To be honest, it looks like a lot of sit on hands today across all the markets that I trade. So probably a good idea to get outside and get some sunshine. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Hopefully the noise is out the way by then. Cheers for now.